Where are you going? Oh, I knew it. No, you can't come after me.
Ready?
Oh.
Get it.
Hi. Yeah, camera. Listen. Yay!
Come back this way. And not you, you crazy dog. Back here. Gotcha!
Yay! Okay. I think we should just. What are you looking at? Ooh, good catch. It's
Bunny?
it's a bunny. It's a bunny.
You want to see the bunny?
You wanna look? Bunny.
Hi, bunny.
Aww.
Mm.
What is that thing? Is that a teddy bear or a dog? I have no idea.
That's a teddy bear.
You want to see the ball? I don't know. You don't like the ball yet. Hello. Hi, honey. You are irresistible. You're so smart. All right, you want to take this into your bedroom and we'll go look at some books? You can do one arm on there. No? Naomi?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just like a cat.
What was that squeal?
The cat. You want to look up here? What is that? Oh, hi, baby.
Who's that? That's Riley.
Tell me who this is. Margot?
Margot.
Is that Margot? Who's that baby?
Baby.
Margot. Uh-oh. Yeah, I do that one.
God, we gotta dust off these frames. Monkey.
Uh-oh.
Jackson. Okay, Margot, sweetie.
Say bye-bye. You want to put it back up? Good job.
Round
Too
two.
fast. I know.
I think she's procrastinating. She's already starting to figure out a way to prolong her bedtime.
All right.
Say up.
Stick it on. No, put it right there. Good job.
Yay! Say bye-bye, Margot.
Bye-bye.